Hello and welcome to Travel Chef. Today we are going to make dessert and it is mango custard. We can make custard with various other fruits, but since mango is a seasonal fruit and this is the time for real good and tasty ripe mangoes, we thought of making custard with mangoes. Yeah, as we all know, mango is the king of fruits and the best fruit in this summer season. So in Bangalore we have bought Baganapalli mangoes to make a custard. So let's see how to make this custard. The scorching summer heat calls for some sweet indulgence, and there is no better way to relish the goodness of mangoes than preparing a delicious dessert for your loved ones. However, you can overcome the feeling of dehydration with certain fruits that come in abundance this summer season. One of them is mango, which is also called the king of fruits. Mango custard. To make this, we need 500 grams of mango. Next, we need 450 ml of milk, 50 ml of milk to be kept aside to be mixed along with the custard powder. Next, we need vanilla essence, which is the third ingredient. Next, we need to keep 2 tablespoons of custard and 5 tablespoons of sugar. The next step is to pour the 450 ml of milk into a saucepan, light the stove on high flame. Once it is on high flame, we need to continue to stir the milk until the milk boils. And now the milk is boiled. Now we need to lower the stove to low flame. Now we need to keep the milk continuously on low flame for 3 to 4 minutes before we get ready with the next ingredient. We need to pour 50 ml of milk along with the custard powder and bring it to stir them. We should continuously stir the custard powder and milk so that no lumps are found in the custard liquid. The next step is to add this mixture along with the milk, and then we begin to stir it once again on the low flame. As we stir the mixture, we need to add the sugar that we had kept aside previously. Continue to stir on low flame. In the process, please check on the consistency. The custard mixture shouldn't be too watery. So we need to keep on checking it every time, but in that process to continue to stir it. Now we need to add half a teaspoon of vanilla essence and mix it with the custard mixture. As we continue to stir it on low flame, we see the consistency of the mixture and custard turning a little more thick. Once the consistency is thick, we need to switch off the gas stove and we need to take down the custard and place it aside for it to cool. The next step is to make the mango puree. For this, we had kept aside some mangoes which we had cut up and put it in a mixie, and we will get the puree out of this. The final step is the setting of the custard and the puree, which we need to take a small glass, place the custard first as a small layer. The next step is to add the puree on the second layer. As a tip, we suggest that you refrigerate the custard and the puree for the layers to form properly and evenly. Now once again pour the third layer of custard, and then we need to put the puree and then place the mango as garnishing, which we had kept previously aside. The next step is to get the next glass ready, and we can continue the same method once again. As we know, mangoes are known for its richness of selenium and iron, both of which are important for our health. So having a bit of mangoes during summer season is always beneficial for us. Mangoes also can be used to make a lot of desserts in summer, such as ice creams, puddings, mousse, and many other desserts too. It is one of the most popular desserts of Indian cuisine and is also a very simple way to make it. With the current ingredients, we have got around 4 glasses of custard. The next step is to place all these 4 glasses into a refrigerator and allow them to cool. We hope you can try this at home and let us know if it is successful. I hope you love watching our videos, and I request you to share it with your friends if you really find it useful. In the meantime, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Your positive comments will always help us to get better videos and newer recipes. So until the next video, take care. Bye-bye.